I appreciate the efforts to extend our legislative calendar, Mr. President. This is to give time for the printing of the draft enrolled bill, because our direction is to print the draft enrolled bill, share it with the BICAM conferees as well as the other senators, and have the signing of the draft enrolled bill together with the bicameral conference committee report on the 28th, 10 a.m. So by that time, we will have all the documents in place, and the documents will be shared with the Senate, with the senators, and also with the BICAM conferees. And then after that, on the 29th, we will have our ratification. So that is the direction that we are taking.
Thank you. With that, yes, for the record, this Congress, under our leadership, will never allow a blind ratification.
Yes.
Ever.
Yes, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Maraming nagtatanong nga, Mr. President, sa atin, bakit po tayo nag-extend way into the holiday season? Tama po sinabi ni Senator Gatchalian, Mr. President, hindi tayo papayag na lang biglang pumirma sa Bicameral Conference Committee report na hindi po nakikita pa ang enrolled copy. Kasi whether we like it or not, maybe in the past, maraming singit, yung na-approve na sa BICAM report, napapalitan pa sa enrollment of bill na hindi dapat tama yun, Mr. President. So, just to allow our colleagues to be able to study and make sure that the Bicameral Conference Committee report is exactly was approved.
A faithful reproduction
Faithful
of what the
reproduction.
BICAM approved.
Walang
Yes.
singit, walang insertion, Mr.
Yes.
President. Tama po
Senator Chairman Gatchalian.
Yeah, and to add to that, Mr. President, humingi rin ako ng pasensya sa ating mga kasamahan dahil nga ilang beses ho na-adjust yung ating legislative calendar, at humingi rin po ako ng pahiminin sa ating Majority Leader dahil kausap ko ho siya parati at binibigyan ko ho siya ng update tungkol po sa ating legislative calendar. Pero dahil nga itong mga ginagawa ho natin ay first time, no, in our budget history, yung ating open BICAM, yung pag-print po ng enrolled copy, kinakailangan po ng mas mahabang oras po para ma-print, ma-reconcile, ma-proofread, at masigurado ho natin yung ating aprubahan, lahat po ay nasa ayos. At yung ating mga staff po sa LBRMO, so totoo lang ho, hindi na ho natutulog ho yan para siguraduhin na maayos po yung ating pag-i-imprinta po ng enrolled copy. So muli humingi po ako ng paumanhin sa ating mga kasamahan dahil alam ko marami ho sa ating mga kasamahan may plano na makasama yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, pero pinili ho nila na manatili ho dito sa ating bansa at makasama ho natin para magkaroon ho tayo ng mapag-usapan ho to at later on ratify ho natin to pagdating po ng December 29. Kaya nagpapasalamat rin po ako sa ating mga kasamahan na sila rin po nag-adjust ng kanilang schedule para makasama ho natin sa ratification.
Yes.
President,
Thank you. Yes.
katulad ng binanggit sa akin ni Senator JB, ngayon lang po, na lugi po tayo kay Senator Sherwin kasi wala pang pamilya. hindi na umuwi sa bayan. Dito natutulog yan sa Senado. Dahil sa sipag niya, Mr. President.
All right.
Pero with that, Mr. President, we just like to share to the public our sentiments that we really are pushing for the good leadership of the Senate, headed by Senate President Soto, and the rest of the members of the Senate. All the members of the Senate really believe in a more transparent budget process. And we'd like to thank, Mr. President, the LBRMO. Tama po, si Senator Gatchalian. We'd also like to thank the Secretariat that are here, and also the LBRMO for working overtime above and beyond the call of duty for really, para sa bayan, para sa ating mga kababayan, na sana ito na po yung magiging bagong normal, new normal, especially the budget process. Thanks to you, Mr. President, and the members of this Senate chamber. So with that, Mr. President, I move that we suspend session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, December 29, 2025. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Chair hears none. The session is suspended until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, December 29, 2025.